Petri dish, but I think it's Petri dish. We've put some paper inside and on the sides, but we left a gap so we can see through it. That's so our light will get in there. This is going to be our nuclear cloud chamber if it works. So
and what is the experiment we're doing?
We're going to put a radioactive piece of something in there and see if we can make clouds, radioactive clouds of stuff, and see evidence of the particles coming out of it.
And what ingredients are we using?
You've got to get some alcohol. It's got to be very pure alcohol, and I don't know how pure this is. We'll find out in a minute.
Well, we have rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, regular out of the store is apparently not distilled enough.
And it's pure purity. Alcohol.
Well, it's not quite pure actually. It's only about 70%, and you need 90% or better. This is denatured, and we'll find out how close this is in a moment.
If you drank that, you...
Oh, that's getting thrown out, right?
Yeah, it is poisonous.
That medicine dropper?
Mm-hmm. So what we've got to do is we're going to saturate this with alcohol. We're going to get it on the sides too. Lots of alcohol, and we're doing this because it makes vapor. You know, you breathe out and you see a cloud of your breath. Mm-hmm. Well, we're going to do that here, but alcohol makes a better cloud at room temperature. So we're going to put that in there. Then we're going to put our radioactive source, which is a piece of a lantern mantle from our camp lantern. The lantern mantles, remember those things? They're dipped in a chemical substance that gives
glass.
Yep, and it gives off radiation. So I've got a chunk of one of those mantles. And we're just going to set it in here. And we're going to set it like this.
Ben, you need to get your head back a little bit.
We're going to set it like that, and we're going to see if any radiation's coming out of it. And we got to close this off to get the alcohol vapor to build up.
How do you get the dry ice in there?
We're going to put the dry ice under it to cool it off. So we're going to get the dry ice out. The dry ice is in here.
Shit.
No, you're supposed to wear gloves because
you're going to get a cold
burn your. It's so cold it'll actually burn your fingers. So you got to put it.
Wow.
Looks like regular ice, but it's cold enough it can burn you. But it's a cold burn.
Oh.
See how it's giving off that kind of smoky stuff?
It's carbon dioxide.
Mm-hmm. And we're going to set this here and try and get it nice and cold on top. Oh, it's not sitting flat because it kind of melted on us.
Don't touch it, Ben.
It's going to take us a minute to get this right.
You sure it's not going to crack the countertop?
No, but I doubt it would happen like that. We're just going to create a little...
Does it go on your finger a little?
Not much. It's alright. We've got to get it nice and cold on the bottom though.
We probably should have put that on a cookie sheet so it doesn't crack our countertop.
It won't. It's just, it won't. It's not going to be a problem. Oops, that's not sitting flat. Gotta get it to sit flat on there. Just get cold. It may take it a minute to get cold. See that straight one? See those straight lines, Benny? Mm-hmm. Those are alphas shooting through the snow, shooting through the vapor. Are you able to...
Is there a macro button you found?
There's some lines.
Mm-hmm. Is there a macro button that you have found?
Hold it in. Hold it in.
I can see it from here in the window, in the mirror.
This is ice made out of gas, and you're not supposed to touch it very long because it'll burn you. But it doesn't melt into water, it melts back into gas, and it's 100 or more degrees below zero. It's about 140 below zero. So, if you put it in water, it very quickly turns back into gas and makes like a fog. And Jonathan, please get back.
Okay.
You're not back enough. There you go. And we're going to set this in here and watch it boil back into a gas. It might be dangerous to put
yeah, no. Yeah.
We'll break it into
cool, that's bad. Why would it be
I
bad?
need something to whack like
I have a hand.
They just pop and turn into hundreds of grams. It's just so sweet.
Now you can't see Jerry.
No, you won't. This is just going to become a big cloud.
Now this is cool. It just pops and
And
turns.
is that what they use at Halloween?
Yep, that's what they do at
It
Halloween.
turns into gas.
And then they
and you
have
can
fans
hear
that
it.
blow it. Oh, yeah. It's very quickly boiling. You're boiling the
Harry
ice.
Potter.
What?
Harry Potter.
On Harry Potter, this is all they do.
Reminds me of the Harry Potter movies.
Got a cutting board, so I don't hit the counter.
Wow. Oh.
Pretend you're casting a spell with your magic wand, John.
That's so funny.
Sorry about the noise. There we go. Now we can really get this ripping. Here we go.
Woo!
Here it comes.
You're gonna put all of that in there? Are you absolutely out of your mind?
Now it could technically freeze the water if there was enough of it in. No, don't.
Awesome.
I've seen them take huge chunks of it and throw it in swimming pools.
Look at it all over the place.
Like a big chunk of it and throw
Oh,
it in the swimming
yeah.
pool. And the whole swimming pool. Now hold still, get back, and you'll see it make a carpet all across the counter. Everybody get down off the counter.
This is so sweet.
It looks like it makes like a carpet. Now, look. This smoke is heavier than air. So if you don't move, hold really still, you'll see it go straight down the counter because it's heavy. It's very heavy. And actually, if there was enough of this, that
No.
smoke, that carbon dioxide could actually be dangerous for the dog because it's pushing the oxygen out of the room. So we probably should get the
Should you
dog
put the fan on?
upstairs.
Where is he?
Well, we'll get the dog
Where's the
upstairs
dog?
in a minute.
Turn the fan. What should you turn the fan on?
We're just putting him upstairs.
This is releasing lots of carbon dioxide.
Yes, it is. We should probably take this outside a minute.
Daddy, it looks like a
But it's heavy enough you can hold it in your hands, and it will stay in your hands for a minute.
Oh wow.
It's heavy. It's that heavy. If you hold them still and don't let the air blow it around, it'll stay in your hands just for a moment. Don't breathe it, Harrison. It's not good for you. Stay back.
All right. Should you take it on the deck?
Yeah, we'll take it on the deck for the rest because it could be harmful if there's too much of it in here.